man know, Queenie. That thing I send my soul over TikTok when TikTok make it possible that them dash out, you can make one next page. And me if I find a class or them blood clot and do without them. Me look like me care. So I'm a little bit and I watch TV, me tell them saying I'm coming in a safe time. Because when them lick me, I lick up at them blood clot and them did have to kill me. So me know me stay. So me can't sell my soul out of that bitch. TikTok is a fucking bitch. You see my page where I have 90,000 followers with, and one side me do like this. And push my finger through it and them banana me. Yeah. Remember, you know much years Instagram I fight me before them give me blue tick and a class out Instagram dirty blood clot and tell them me no one. No blue tick. And the last year when me win Sting, them just give me blue tick, so. Just 2-1. Till everybody have fake blood clot blue tick now. The amount of people with blue tick, I said, Jesus. Me couldn't feel good for have fake blue tick after them deal with me so bad. Them would have to give me it. You wake up crying that, and thanks to the laugh. Is it? Why were you crying, baby? Oh, would you send me a request? What kind of request that them send me? That looks so dodgy. Who interrupted my life? When I done that game, I go done because I thought me a distract me. They pay for what? Love you, Queenie. Thank you. And I love me. I love you too. Go and my fans, them want to see me a sting and them don't want me clash with nobody because them don't want nobody to lick me. And that's the God Almighty truth. And I don't want to clash with nobody because once bitten, twice. Once bitten, twice shy. True, you know, put away mustard in. You see, remember that them say who feels it knows it, who shit a bush, no remember it, how tap in there, and me go they go face it, you know. So, regardless, me the little fucking hard, me a human in it. Me don't want nobody come back, come draw my pussy tongue and take for red carpet and sting this year again. Fuck that. Blood clot. It's sweet him. But truth, I draw my pussy tongue this year and put my sting for red carpet. Me not gonna sit down and tolerate that, madam. Me walk on the beer ground with my barefoot and just go up there and say, say my pussy clean, say my pussy fat. Say my pussy girl a what? Say the man them let's see her, let's that. Tell me say you come like it, say what's up. Say your cocky clean, say your cocky hot. Say you send the cocky gear girl like that. Say the girl in the figure like that. Full attack when you get cock hot. Queenie boy want a cock. Hey boy, me want to off your cock. Make sure you can't angle me back. Nobody ask me to suck off your cock. And the boy when me suck them, suck me back. That means a bomber clot. It should be all about me on the stage, not for someone to be licking me with lyrics to beat up my fucking heart, and then they're not a mama bomber blood time. Or when them say all of the girls I know for them that have no man to them goodie. All of the one man to no goodie girl. All of the barrow man to no goodie girl. That's how you represent for every girl we know the position with them in. Everywhere we go, them to that tongue, Queenie. One girl to the people. That a Queenie. That a bomber blood clot. I mean, the people that one girl power girl. What the fuck? Them not selling out in all them bomber all the way to trouble me. You see, all on the way trouble me. When the time come, I'm going to have a fan and I eat that, you know. Bomber will not have to vote for blood clot. Me had the artist thing. Move on a dirty blood clot. Me a rain. Me a trend. Me hot. Me famous. Me a artist. Me a celebrity. Me a dump wife. Me a grandmother. Me whole. Me sexy. Move on a dirty blood clot. And I have to vote for my bomber clot. I represent worldwide. For the attacking bamboo giant boy them and the clean fat pussy girl them, and I have to vote for me. Bomber clot. They must fucking vote for me. Come on, I'm nice, you understand me? I'm have good nice, too. Put on the miserableness and miserable and awful. I'm nice, I have nice personality, caring, sweet, I'm nice. So, I bumble with them, I part and them see Queenie, I perform them, I say, bumble clock, watch for Queen. And then tomorrow morning, them cuss me again. Yeah, me a dump wife. You see, man, dump me. I am a dump wife. I am. You have to accept it, baby. Whatever happened in life, if you don't accept it, auntie, baby. It's every time I accept it, I remember your death dump, you have to blood clot, that really go on, hush, Queenie. You have to talk to yourself and laugh about it. You see, if you don't accept it, I'm bubble clot or whatever may I get. Vicky little legs. Wow, me just get some foreign something. Fuck on the mail, I get gift and me now look for gift. Thank you, Vicky little lad. And I understand me. Me no want no stiff food. Say if I that for make me run down. Divorce. Divorce what I mean you in short time and stop it. Leave me enjoy a little dump for marriage. Boy. What kind of rhythm I talk about? I'm still the queen. There you go, my dear. I kiss the father. I mark you right there. I'm still the queen. It doesn't matter. The queen still reign. The queen is still powerful, and the queen is still beautiful. Okay? Accept the queen for who the queen is, not with the queen who the queen with. You have to accept me for me. My energy, my perseverance to life. Eh? When the game done, may I end the match. I'll come back. I have things to do. Yeah? I don't know, a girl power Wednesday, so I got up on it all day. Or all night maybe, who knows. So, yeah, as me that say, and I have to remember some of the on the land 51 here by myself. I'm a build myself as an individual person. As a true believer in a me, Queenie. So, when I go out there, whatever addition come to me, celebrity Queenie, thank you. Whatever addition come to me and it lasts for a moment of time, I have to move on and accept it because when you provoke me now, you make me think for me stupid because you know why I make decision based on I cannot do that. I cannot make a decision because I am not a yes person. I am a leader. That's why I am Queenie. So whatever decision I make, I have to make it from my heart. Whether I turn out good or bad, I have to cope with it. No, me put my signature. Me never burn on a blood clot finger. Me never shoplift on a finger and go sign signature. I might fucking think. I might fucking finger sign the signature. Says my mind have to make up one day at a time, sweet Jesus. You ready for me? What? Your number? Oh, I the wrong chip in that, you know. At that. Put back the chip in at this. Alright, I'm going to end the live. We're crazy later. On the tank, you know. This is my start up my phone. They come back. Girl power when the man come out later, yeah? That's it. Lana, you see the chipper in this phone, baby? From here? It will stay another phone now. I'm going to call him right now. Come here, no man. Later. Gonna take care. Thank you. Blessed love. Gonna take care. Right, crazy. Later. I'm going to come back later from the girl power, yeah? I would never tell me to shut up. Queenie, shut up. Why are you telling me to shut up, darling? Car 876, why are you rooting to the Queen? Ooh, shut up, Queenie. You not see that yet? See what yet? You shut the fuck up. Your mouth smell like down a river down to blood clot. Sorry, madam. What? Nobody not ruin my morning. I mean, I ruin film them for them afternoon. Somebody trouble you. What if I people trouble me, but them not ruin my morning? There's a difference.
You drink your coffee yet?
Yes, I did.
Alright, that's wonderful.
London, put by the chip in this. But I don't know how many, when later I create it. I don't know, here's a 3 piece of chicken left. When a death.
Well,
the chicken drop. The chicken drop. Yeah, 11 past 2. The chicken drop, the chicken. All right, London, I come to you now. Call them people still up on me and the chicken.